Sujit. I have Nissan SENTRA 2016 model. The car stereo was pretty old, so I just wanted to upgrade my system. Checked with my friends and I checked online also. Then some of them suggested CARONIC. Then I searched CARONIC and their website was also pretty good, and the service also, it is on YouTube also. I watched YouTube also. Immediately I called them. They picked and they said, okay, you can come now and get it done. So it will not take more than an hour. Actually, it's installed in around 30 minutes and everything is working fine. And the best part is it is plug and play. And so many features are there in the unit actually. So many applications like navigation is there. You can sync your contacts. YouTube is there. You can browse. You can do whatever you want to with your mobile. If your child is there, then they can play also some games. So yeah, it is pretty good. I'm a satisfied customer. If you plan to upgrade your system, please contact CARONIC, and it is best in Dubai. Thank you.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.